I don't even want to open it. So hi guys, so today I'm finally going to unbox my new MacBook Pro. I ordered it on I think May 30th, and I got it like, I don't know what day today is, but I'll put that down below. So as you can see, this part of the box has already been opened, and that is because the post office opened it to check if everything was correct. So yeah, so we'll go ahead and open the box. As you can see, such a beauty. So I'm gonna try to be careful with this because I'm really clumsy, guys. Yes. My dramatic as there's nothing else in the box, by the way, for if you wanted to know. This, I don't even want to open it. Like, I want to put it on, like, okay. So beautiful. Oops. So beautiful. And this is actually, I got the base model, so, and I got it in a space gray. I actually don't like silver, and I don't really like gray either, but like the space gray is very pretty. My iPhone is space gray too, so I'm just gonna take a few pictures of this and then I'm gonna continue filming. So this is actual, I don't want to open this, like I didn't get any. So start here, you can find this like thing, and I don't know if you can see it, but it has an arrow here. You know, it shows you actually where you have to pull it. Bruh. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like remove this. I'm so excited. Look at this. Like, and I'll put the specs on the screen probably, but if I don't, this is the base model. So it's a 13-inch MacBook Pro. It has, you know, 256 GB of storage and Intel Core i5. So how do I open this? Because I never had a MacBook, so oh god, I don't even know how to open it. We're gonna open this baby. So this is actually like, I feel like Apple puts a lot of thought into their boxing, like their package as well, because like that's why I kept my iPhone package also. But like inside here, if you can see, there's like this texture like it's like a piece of cloth. I wouldn't throw this away. I'm not going to throw it away. So I'm actually afraid that, like, what if I open it and it doesn't? Let me move this a little bit here, so you can see this is the box. I'm actually scared, like, what if I open this and it's cracked or it doesn't work? Gonna go ahead. Moment of silence. Look at this beauty. Like, I cannot, like, so I'm gonna like, I cannot even believe I had this. And I actually ordered the MacBook Air, like the like the 2020 version. It took me like 20 days to do anything from the company again. So I just decided, you know what, I'm gonna cancel the order. The new MacBook Pro just came out by then, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna put $200 on it, on the price I paid for the MacBook Air, and I'm gonna get the, it's heavier than I thought it would be, but it's very pretty. It's basically the same, it has the same size as the 2019 version, but like it's like a little bit thicker, but you can't even see it. Also notice, like, my ring light is so warm and I'm getting tired. So how do I open this? I don't even know. Oh, so okay, like in the back there's this thing. You can remove it. OMG, this is so beautiful. I don't even know if the camera can do it justice. Look at this, so beautiful. And the space gray is actually nicer than I thought. It's a different kind of color from the iPhone. Like if you guys know the iPhone, the space gray of the iPhone is actually darker, almost a black type of gray. But this one, you see, I don't want this to get scratched or anything. Or like, I don't even want to touch it. Like, I don't even want to touch it. Look at this beauty. So I'm going to open it now. I'm just gonna use this to put it on. So I'm actually afraid to open it. Wait. So there's this thing here. Yeah. There's this thing here and it actually helps you open it. If you have long nails, but I don't because I'm trying to train piano, so I don't right now. But if you have long nails, it's supposed to turn on by itself, and it has this screen, this again it has this thing like the cloth. It's the same thing that I showed you guys, but I'm gonna come back for the laptop. Just gonna put it here. No, actually look at this. It's like turning on. It turned on in like a second, y'all. What the hell? It just turned on in like a second.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Hi, who are you? Someone's talking. Like, I'm going to go ahead and set up this thing. Comes with a, actually it's a USB-C. It comes with a USB-C cable, and this is the charger. It's actually bigger than I thought, but then again, I never had a MacBook, so I can't, like, you know. What is this? So it says, welcome to your MacBook Pro. MacBook Pro automatically starts up when you lift it. Tell me about it. Happened before I read it. Setup assistant helps you get up and running. Shows you where the menu bar is. There's a FaceTime HD camera. Spotlight. I'm actually very excited about the touch bar. Yes, so this is like a little folder with a few things in it. So that's that. So I'm going to remove these so we can set up the laptop. Remove this also so we can set up the laptop. So for the ones who have followed me for a while, I live outside the US. I live in Curacao, so my language is now listed here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put English, the regular one. And the trackpad is like, it's not soft. It's like, it's not soft. So it's like you have to like actually, I don't even know how to work with this. Did I choose it? Oh, actually I had to, do I have to press enter? Okay. It's so hot in here.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the escape key.
These speakers are crazy, like they're crazy good. Like, I don't know, I don't want this to fall. And I actually got this dirty already. But look, here are the speakers. And this thing, I went away for a second. This thing actually started talking when I came back. So I'll just choose my language, one moment. I'll choose my, I'm gonna put United States because this thing's gonna act stupid when I have to buy shit and stuff, so I'm just gonna put United States. So the one thing I like a lot though is I really like how big the, you can see it here, the trackpad is huge. It's actually the size of an iPhone 6. I think the regular ones, like an iPhone 8 also. So I'm gonna continue doing this. So it says, help app developers improve their products. Nope, not gonna help. Yes. And it's Siri. I never use Siri, but I'm gonna enable her anyway. The good thing about this is like I've had an iPhone for 2 years now, I think. So having a laptop that's the same brand and stuff, it's gonna be easier for me. And also I added my videos on normal laptops right now, so let me do this. Enable Siri. So it says this helps you recognize your voice when you sing. So I'm gonna set up my voice. So it says, hey Siri, open the documents folder. What does it? Yes. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, yes, okay. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? That's how you set up Siri. It says Siri will recognize your voice whenever you say, hey Siri. Love the touchpad. Look at this thing. If you could look closely, what is that? It says lift and rest your finger on Touch ID repeatedly. Now it says choose your look. And my phone has dark theme on it, but I don't feel like I want this. Yes, I actually feel, I don't know. Also want to show you guys the back. Here you can see it, like it's just like a mirror, and as you can already see, I made a mess with it. But I bought like I did buy like a cover for it like this, and I did buy a sleeve also, so I'm gonna show you guys a week in how this works. This looks like a mirror. Actually, it comes with the stickers. I did not see the stickers. Let me go look out for them. Let me check in here. Guys, I missed the stickers. Here they are. So these are the stickers. They're also space gray. So guys, this was the review of the laptop. I'm gonna go ahead and like work on it today to see how it works and get used to it. I like the screen so much. It's a gorgeous laptop, and I actually I love the keyboard. This is different from the 2019 version. Actually has a escape button. Like I think that I mean, I just love the touchpad, and I love how big the trackpad is. I love how portable it is. I love the space gray. I'm totally in love with this laptop. So thanks for watching. I'll be reviewing more stuff if I get more stuff. I'll be reviewing the accessories and how the I said microphone because I normally buy microphones. Yes, I'll be reviewing how the Macbook Pro works. I'll upload that video for you guys. So bye, and thanks for watching.